Hello guys, today from Technotude, and today going to be learning about another navigation menu. I just invented recently. I have done some research and I just came to a conclusion that I can create that, and I just created it. So here's our YouTube page. Here's Technotude's YouTube page. uh, I'll advise you must subscribe for the videos and update it for web design tutorials. And our here's our navigation menu. You can see a still line block. I didn't give isn't a link, but you can give it link. I will show you in the video how to do that. And here's from technical presented in very nice tutorial for your navigation menu. So let me show you how it works. You can see that uh, it feels it not look smooth because my video frame rate is limited, but you can check it out by creating your own. Its movement is as smooth as a butter. Didn't even matters yet. So this is it. As you hover on that, it expands. You can put your anything here, like your own idea, some description about the blog, what is in the blog, and what the latest tutorial is about, and home what this your site is about. You can use it that, and if you don't want it, just to keep it at rest. So this will be all it minimized, and that here's our empty space. You can add so many as you like. I just add things of 5. Yes, I just add 5. You can add many as you like. So not wasting our time, just go to our tutorial. Here's our previous version, previous one where I created it, but I'm going to build from scratch. No JQuery, no JavaScript, nothing else, just CSS. That's it. Here's our blank page. You can see here's our body tag. In between body tag, that's nothing. So for that, I'm going to take a div whose class first ID will be container, and in that div I'm just going to take another div whose name will be menu, and in that menu I'm just going to take a p tag and two p tags. And first I will give the class p1, and in second I'm going to give the class equals to p2. In that p1 I'm just going to write what I'm saying is just write home, or you can choose your own word from first what you want to create. Home video, home. This is our intro. That's it. This is our intro, and that's it. You will see the first thing what you have created is a div inside a div, and that's a two p tags inside a p tag. That's it. So now just going to apply our CSS. If you're using Dreamwaver CC, so just go and click on plus or create a new CSS file if you wish to create, want to attach. If you wish, you have, because you don't have any CSS file to attach, you can do that. But if you want to define a page, that's not a good idea, but defining page will be okay, because so let it be, guys. Just create a new CSS file, browse, and that I'm just taking save file name style style save main link import screen. Okay, so this is our CSS file link what we have created is here. Because guys, let me show you the previous one. It's too big to get, it's too big, and it makes you a lot of confused one. So it's not a bigger, but it's a lot simpler, guys. You will not get confused because we are using another CSS file. First we will apply our container div. So hash, because it's an ID, container, so when to INER, open close. In that I just write height give it a height of 150 125 pixels, and let be 150 pixels, and save that. Sorry guys, don't give the width, let's give the auto. Don't choose that, we're just giving the auto what it wants it to be. And that's for container CSS. And moving forward to our dot menu. So for the menu, we're going to give height of your first container div is 125 pixels. If you're increasing the height, make sure that you increase both the heights, because that's because we want this div and this div should match it with it. So that's it. We created 125 pixels and 125 pixels, and with colon to 150 pixels. That's it. This is a noise, this is a box, what we're going to repeat it again and again, as in pseudo quotes, but that's it for first. We just created this. Now further, we just take a p tag. We will move it to further what we wanted it to, p1. So dot p1, because it's our first div, first p tag, and just give it a font family. I'm using font name JQuery Roman. You can use your own fonts, didn't matter it, but choose a nice font, because fonts really affects things. Font family JQuery Roman, and we just take font family, and Arial Helva. What we're taking is font size, font hyphen size, things to be not be things to be 25 pixels lot will be, it will be fine, no need to do that. Yes, that's fine. And that we're going to give it a color take the white color, doesn't matters, and just change it off. So let me show you what I have done, guys. Go in color and just press here in the arrow you are using Dreamweaver, go in color format and press the RGB format, because it will be more helpful. Take the white format and change the 1 to 0.7. so what it does is just make our font lighter. You will not see now until now, because we didn't apply background to our menu div. We will further apply it. Let's go on further. Let's first save our file. It's index. Let's save index, save. Now let's apply the background, CK background color, using RGB format. I'm just picking up the color what I wanted is. It's taking that color. Yeah, that's it what I wanted. P, and this is our intro. What you wanted, you can write, and going to the P2, which is this is our intro. We are affecting it. Let's just take a font family. Hello, I'm using the font name hello here because it's another one. It doesn't matter, you can use your own fonts, as I've previously said, but make sure you choose a nice font, because nice fonts really affects your menu bar. Font family and font size. Let's take a font size of things to be 16 pixels, a lot big, and take the color to color. And another, you're using the RGB format, use the RGB format and just press and take the 1 to 0.5. so 0.5 Control Z, yeah, and semicolon. Now let's preview in the browser. Yes, here's a normal blank system. You can see, yeah, this is presented to be here, affecting us. Now just go in the container, just going to container div and just give it a background. We see back face nodes, just give it a background colon. I'm using the background image for that. which is going image. Yeah, water drops on. So yeah, if you want to use your own image, what it looks like, let me what it looks like is, yeah, it looks like this. Yeah, this is really what it looks like. So guys, we just done our simple steps, what we done. Now moving to our transition panels, what we are going to see here, this is transist, all the shifts there, shifting, we are using shifting tracks. Let's go through further steps. Shifting to further, in this we're just going to use our own fonts, and now we are using, and one thing guys, I forgot to mention here, it's just going to position to relative, and here also give the position to relative, because it will go further, it will help. Now as you go in design view live, you will see this, it's and if you're using Dreamwaver CC, you have an inspect button, just tap on there, you'll see yellow, which is some padding, yellow you will see there, and this is padding, and blue what you're seeing is it's a margin. So going to the further, you will see there home. Now going to split view, just giving a height and width to p1, just give it a height, don't give it a height, just give the width things should to be 100 pixels. That's it. Yeah, that's it, gives a 100 pixels. And that's, now I'm going to give the position. If you click in here p1 anywhere, and if you just go in a CSS designer panel, in the properties panel, you'll check it out there, you got position panel, because you choose a relative position, so it will allow you to position it according to the div which is present there. It is a purple div, so let's make where you want it to, just to do what you want it, make it where you have to stand, that's it. And here also just tap it here, you will see your position panels, position it nicely and firmly. This is intro, whatever you want to position, just position it nicely, and that's it. In designer panel you will see that can be done. Now we have done that. For doing further steps, we have to use the CSS transition properties. You have to do is just to go in menu, right there, transition colon transition all. Wait a minute guys, something is wrong. Yeah, that's it. Just write transition all, 5 seconds, it will be okay. And is in out, so it's somewhere slow in and out, and later it will be speed, and just take 0 seconds, no delay. You have to do is, if you want to write with the render prefixes, if you don't know what render prefixes, just search in Google or YouTube, you will check it out what it is. So menu, copy it and just paste in this, so what we call it as the both p1 and p2 classes, because we will need the transition there, and just write 0.2 seconds in p1 and p2 class. So that's what it is. Now what you have to do is just copy the go in your source code, copy this div by don't guys, just copy this much what the portion is, hit enter, paste. Wait a minute guys, let me separate them so we will not get confused while watching this video. Some people get confused, but I don't like them to be confused, so that's why we're using it. So we used menu, we're taking here menu 1, menu 2, menu 3, and menu, you will actually didn't observe anything that anything happens because we didn't choose it anything else there, because we have to create our CSS for that. And for creating the CSS for that, we have to do is just, it's not have to repeat the steps again. Just copy menu. Here also I'm giving some gaps so that you can understand what it is. 1 2 3, and just paste it. That's it. For here I'm going to stretch it out in code view. Later we will see what happens there. Menu, here's our menu tag, and here's our menu 1 class, menu 2, and we're going down to menu 3. We don't need that menu, I think so. It's going source code. There's menu 2, menu 3. Yeah, that's it. That's only 4 tags. Just go to speed, style CSS. You'll observe here something that something nicely observed. Delete this, we don't require any extra contents. Here's that. This is it. You just created the box, repeating it, and doesn't matter it. So menu in going to be here that you have to write float left, float to left in all the menus, because it's compulsory. You have to write that. That's an initiative. Just have to do is copy this, and go in menu. Yeah, just go. Yeah, yeah, that's it. Just pasting there. You have to do just paste the float left in all menus divs. So what it will do, we'll see. Let's observe that. That's you will observe here. Let me preview in the browser for you. Yeah, that's it. You observe this. Rather than, let me show you this and this. Nothing more than that. You'll observe more, but it looks pretty favorable, so we can create it. Let me preview for you. Now just you have to do is changes all the bit divs backgrounds, because we don't want the divs must be of same backgrounds. So menu, we just change here, space, choose color. Let's take an light cube then. And our last div, what we want to change the background is, that's it, color. I'm going to pick it from the image what I got here, background. Just choosing that image. That's it. Just going in design view, you will observe this is it looking initiate. That's nice. So go in inspect mode, take this home, change the top because it's too down, and just go to design and go to live inspect. Take some left, reduce some left to 10 pixels. 1 pixel will be fine, so that it comes down. So now you have to do is just go to change home to another thing what you like is tutorial, tutorial home, tutorial profile and block. Refresh, presencing, save, review. Yes, this is it. You'll observe this color is matched what I want it is that. So because let me show you menu. What I wanted here also that this should matches, because Yeah, here only having 4 and it's here the 5. You can use any colors what you like, didn't matters too. So moving to the further, it's a pretty big tutorial guys what you have done is. So it's let's check the second part of it and let's continue from the another thing. That's it.